standing ovation for Chairman 750.
How y'all doing? What rank y'all going this year? What rank y'all going this year?
Hey, what is up, guys? So I just made it to the airport. I'm about to go to Atlanta, and this is a Forex funded trip, guys. So literally, like, I didn't have to come out of anything out of pocket. So definitely, guys, join an organization that actually like gives you results, but also just like they want to see you win, and they like to reward you with stuff like paying for your trips where you can go build with other leaders and everything like that. So guys, literally, I'm so excited for this weekend. So guys, stay tuned because it's going to be such a wonderful weekend, just building with other people who's like-minded individuals like yourself. So guys, I can't wait to take you guys on this trip with me, and stay tuned. What's up, y'all? I just made it to Atlanta. I'm so excited to be here. I'm waiting on my friends to come pick me up now. But y'all, we made it here safely. We blessed, we grateful. And the weather is not that bad out here. Honestly, like way better than Chicago right now. So guys, keep you in tune because it's about to be a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I know I look a hot ass mess, but it's gonna get better, trust me. So y'all get to see me at my ratchet moment. So stay tuned, y'all. I want to come back and just tell y'all a little bit about my background on where I was before I started Forex. So first and foremost, if you guys don't know what Forex is, it is the foreign exchange market. It's the most liquidated market that has $7.7 trillion going through it a day, and it literally has been impacting lives all across the world, because now people have access to a way to learn a skill set to be able to trade within the market. So with the foreign exchange market, you can be able to be profitable whether the market goes up or whether it goes down. So a lot of people kind of get it confused with stocks, but with stocks, if you make an investment on a company, you're hoping it does well. And if it doesn't, you lose your investment. But with the foreign exchange market, buy when it's low, sell when it's high. So you're able to make a profit whether the market goes up or down. If you have a bank account, if you have a savings account, the banks have already been trading your money. You gave the banks permission to trade your money once you made an account with them. When I heard that, I was kind of like taken back because I was like, wow, I thought my money was safe, and little do I know, people are playing with my money. With the foreign exchange market, it's using different currencies right from your phone. So for example, if you were to go to Canada, you have to use Canadian dollars, right? You can't use US dollars. So when you go there, you exchange your money, and then when you come back, you exchange it back to US dollars, right? You're doing that right from your phone. That's all you're doing. And when I came across this solution, it literally had all the answers for me. I was able to make money from home, capitalize on the money that I already had, and I'm able to take a skill set that I learned that I could take with me for the rest of my life. So if something, happens to me and I'm not physically able to go into work, I can be able to just make money right from my phone wherever I'm at. It is literally one of the most amazing things I have came across. I know a lot of people be skeptical about it, but that's okay, because when we're introduced to new information, we kind of let it go over our heads, you know what I'm saying? Because we're so distracted with our day-to-day, our day-to-day struggles or our day-to-day tasks, but sometimes we have to just really pay attention to what's in front of us and think about where our life is. Are we where we want to be? When I became a new mom, I wasn't where I wanted to be in life, but we still have to make a way for ourselves. I came across this, I knew it was for me. I knew it. I didn't hesitate. I decided to take a risk on myself, and knowing what it can do for people, I told my mom, I told my sister, I told my family, because I want to get them, you know, in a position to be better for themselves as well. Get access to an educational platform that teaches you basics. They have short videos where you just learn the basic terminology, because you have to have some type of education coming into wanting to know how to trade, because it takes a village to raise a trader, guys, no lie. But you have to have mentorship. Mentorship is key, guys. Okay, that is key. And the family that I came into, they literally have been holding my hand through this entire time, and I've been profiting and having results, and the testimonies are just continuing to come on a daily. So we just want to pack as many lives when it comes to Forex. And I also just like to dig deep into the new moms or people who have children. Like, it can be hard, right? You know, having those different caps, right? You're a wife, you're a mom, you're a provider, you're all these things. But when are you going to take time to invest in yourself? When are you going to take time to do things that you've been wanting to do? You want that time back. You want that time to be able to do things and live free, because that's the goal in life. We want us to be financially free. So guys, I really want to continue to impact lives with this concept. And if you guys want to get in tune and want to get plugged in on this information, it has been withheld from us from over 500 years. Okay, but I will be in tune with you guys, and if you guys have any questions, I will leave my contact information below, and just send me an email or a DM. Follow me on social networks at Miss Hazel J on IG, on Facebook as Miss Hazel. So guys, I'll be back. Deuces.
With that type of mentality, you worried about how this man expresses his energy over you becoming financially free. You gonna quit anyway. Man, I know we gotta get out of here, but I definitely want to do something special for y'all, because I know where y'all coming from. I know y'all spent a lot of energy, time, money to get here. Y'all invested. I really look at all of y'all as the future, as the leaders. So literally, I felt like it's only right before I take y'all to an event that y'all hear from someone that I know. Stand up for me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.